Guys, Mayeni, she thinks that Musamseleku loves Makumalo. She doesn't know that Musamseleku, he is using Makumalo. You understand? Because Musamseleku saw Makumalo is a brilliant woman. You understand? He knows everything because Makumalo knows business, knows most of the things. You understand? Musamselegui is using Makumalo as a property. You understand? Because even when they are renewing their vows with Makumalo, Makumalo, she was complaining a lot because Machele, she stops that wedding at the first time, if you remember that. And Musamsele could tolerate Machele a lot. He doesn't worried about Makumalo's feelings. You understand? I saw that Musamseleku, she wants to stay with Makumalo as a property, but he doesn't love Makumalo. Musamseleku love Mangwawe and Mayeni a lot. You understand it? Because Mayeni, she thinks that Musamseleku, he is love Makumalo. No, Musamseleku loves Makumalo because Makumalo knows business. She is a brilliant wife, you understand? But he is not in love with Makumalo. Makumalo loves Musamseleku, but Musamseleku, he is not in love with Makumalo. Guys, some people, you can be married to a person just for a reason, you understand? Because some of men love you because you can clean, you can wash to them, you're something good to them, but they don't love you in their heart. You understand? Yes, because Musamselek loves Makumalo because Makumalo, she have got a poor heart only. You understand? Some people, they love you for a reason. Some people, they love you for a reason and they don't tell you. You understand? He is not love Makumalo. He is not in his heart Makumalo. You understand? He loves her because a brilliant wife only. You understand? Because some people, they love you for a reason. Maybe some people, they love you because you can take care good of them, or you good at cook. You can cook well. You understand? You can clean a house well. You can wash for them. You understand? You can take care good. You can take care of him. You understand? But he doesn't love you. It happened, guys. It's life. It's life. Musamselek doesn't love Makumalo a lot. He loves her because Makumalo, she is a good person only.